Stainless steel. Imported. Perfect way to keep your child's lunch at its optimal temperature. Spork, spoon and fork included. Wide mouth makes filling, eating and cleaning easy. BPA-free and phthalate-free. Holds up to 12 fluid ounces. Perfect for keeping those nutritious lunches hot or cold. The 3-sprout stainless steel food jar is made of food-grade stainless steel that keeps your little one's lunches warm for up to 6 hours and cold for up to 8 hours. With a wide mouth opening and spork included, this food jar makes lunchtime prep easy for parents. With its durable and lightweight design, and lovable animal face, our food jar is a hit with parents and children alike. Our food jar is BPA-free and phthalate-free and is top-rack dishwasher safe. Top reviews from other countries. Work perfectly. I think these are excellent. I send with my son for lunch daily and the graphic is cool. Fork and top are very durable as far as I can tell. I do send some garlic pasta weekly and it is a little tricky to get that taste. Smell out with just dishwasher cleaning, however I imagine that would be a problem with any thermos. Very satisfied with these products and I would purchase again.